Well, hello. I am the film noir chef. Actually, it's just the awful chef. The good Lord has graced us with cloudy weather, and so the wonderful natural light that I use to make these videos is gone. So, today we make pulled pork. You know, there's a lot of fun going out in this world, and I thought, what the heck? Let's eat some meat. So, in this case, it's a little different. My wife's almost pathologically afraid of anything sweet. So this is not pork in barbecue sauce cooked until it's goo. This is basically a French-ish pork stew without a lot of broth. When it comes out, we can saute the broth down, make a nice sauce out of that, maybe throw some sugar into that if we want, since a lot of stocks tend to be kind of universal. So, with that bit of pontification, oh yeah, I forgot. I eat some, so I gotta cook some. And please subscribe or YouTube will send me to hell. Okay, so I got my magic slow cooker, which is so clear in this wonderful light. Yes, there it is. Bought that at a yard sale. Or a thrift store. Yeah, I think it was a thrift store. Got 1.5 pounds of pork butt. Now, there's one thing that hasn't been stated. When you buy meat, put it in the fridge, coat it in salt and pepper. And that way, when you use it, the flavor will be much more intense through the actions of the salt and the pepper. Just like Texas barbecue. You know, you use salt and you pepper, and then you smoke it. So, meat. Scientific technique. Meat in slow cooker. Yeah, cooking's easy. Nothing else, it's got to be easy for somebody like me to do it. Okay, here we go, the classics. Sliced onion, sliced carrot, sliced celery. You'll notice the garlic is whole, and weeds. Yeah, I'm fortunate enough to have a wild rosemary plant outside. So, rosemary. A couple of very carefully tended dried bay leaves. Yes, bay leaves are one of those things. You get them right out of the packet, they're magnificent. A couple weeks later, they're terrible. So, tend those. Some generic red wine. This is what I was drinking, so this is what I'm cooking with. And, of course, shortcut of shortcuts, stock in a box. Okay, watch my scientific method here. Ta-da! Ta-da! Oh, carrots. Or, pardon me. Oh, onions. Yeah, can't tell the difference. Ha, ha, ha. You'll notice I am not browning anything. Can you? Should you? If you want, go ahead. I'm too lazy. I just want food. It's got to taste good. Does it taste different if you brown it? Yes. Do most people notice? No. I'm sorry, I wish I had better news for you, but most people don't notice the extra effort you take in browning things. In this case, if you're making something in which a major ingredient is the onion, yes. The care will be noted. Okay, and some garlic. These, which I'm leaving whole in this case, you'll notice more than a few of those, properly cooked, properly mellowed, become like sugar cubes. So, a little bit of wine. Yeah, just a little bit of that. The salt and the pepper are already in there on the meat, and the stock I'm using is not low sodium. I might have to add salt later. Okay. Yippee. My wife says I do everything wrong anyway. I'm the awful chef. So here we are in my film noir studio. Grand kitchen. And I can't show you without pouring this all over the ground. Hang on, let's make you a little motion sick here. And adjust my magic camera angle. Oh look, cabinetry. Okay. Yes, we use high quality production equipment here on The Awful Chef. Okay, there you get some idea what this looks like. Okay, yeah, you can actually sort of see it. So, I gotta watch it. If I touch the wrong spot on this thing, my video goes poof. Now that I've already added everything, that would be bad. So, woof, excitement. Add that to the slow cooker, cook it for a few hours, go to work. If you've got sun, which we don't, you can cook it in a solar cooker. Put it on some buns, optional barbecue sauce. Cook down the stock that's left. Be sure to remove the herbs. And if you feel really exotic, you can use a stick blender to homogenize the sauce and make it thicker. You don't need to. I mean, food is kind of basic stuff. So I'm the awful chef because my wife says I do everything wrong. And that's it. That's pulled pork. If you want to be exotic, you can add some whole peppercorns. And I got to ask you to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be right down here. Yeah, subscribe for me, or YouTube will kill me. Yeah, making YouTube is kind of hard. So that's it. Thanks.